I chose George Brown College because it sits at the heart of Toronto. And looking at the college, they have a track record of, helping their students get co-op positions. And, students who graduate from George Brown College end up, in the industry. And there were so many examples that you saw. And it was also a place that promoted a lot of multicultural backgrounds. And when I looked into how it is situated in the heart of Toronto, it made sense for me that was the college that's meant for me. It also had the program that I was looking to take, which is Health Informatics. And the Health Informatics program is a really robust one. And I've seen students who graduated from that program and went on to the industry to become health informatics professional. So my favorite thing, number one, is the faculty. The faculty are very friendly, they're easily approachable, and it was very easy for the students to actually relate with the faculty. That's my one favorite thing. And being there actually made it very comfortable for me to learn in an atmosphere where I was really relaxed. The second thing is the diversity of the students at George Brown College. I saw people of color, people that looked like me, and it made me really feel comfortable, and everybody was accepted in a safe place. There was no issue of discrimination in any way, and that was really important to me given my background. I would say do not hesitate. George Brown College has some of the best programs out there, and if you look at some of their KPIs, students who go on into the industry to get jobs, that's George Brown College for you. The building of George Brown, I went to the Casteloma campus. It's a very huge building. You have libraries. You could borrow computers from the library. You have a lot of support from the admin, and you have food carts that you could easily go to. The student association was really able to help you when you need help. They have a gym. I went to the gym. I used the gym a couple of times. So everything that you need, it's easily accessible. If you do not have a vehicle, you could easily commute to from George Brown College. All of these things make it possible for especially international students who are really trying to find their foot in the country, and some of the students are also working part-time while they study as well. A good example was me. So it was easy for me to take my programs in the evening and on weekends, and I could easily commute from work to George Brown College. So if you are an international student, and if you are working as well, George Brown College gives you all the support and access that you need to easily learn and succeed. What made it unique was, number one, the breadth of courses that we took. So for my program, I took project management, I took business analysis, and even though it's a health informatics program, and it wasn't just about technology only. Learning about business analysis for the first time helped me to really appreciate some of the business side of delivering digital healthcare solutions. And this is something that was totally new to me. Also, project management helped me to understand the project life cycle of implementing digital health solutions. And the program didn't stop there. They really helped us in preparing our resumes, training us for job interviews so that we are ready after graduation to step into the industry. The college and the program had a special office that helped with internship. So we were able to get internship positions, and they helped us in, even though sometimes we have to search on our own, but the school provided opportunities and the faculty that could help us in obtaining our core positions as well. Yes, I love the fact that I could grab food anywhere I was in the college. Like I said, because for me personally, I was working, so many times I have to actually, eat on the road. And there were various kind of food that you want. For me, I wanted to eat halal food because I'm Muslim, and it was easy to do that. And the food court is a really great place where I connected with some of my colleagues outside the classroom, and were able to connect with students from other programs as well. So this is one experience. The food, I would say, that really made my experience in George Brown, and the food courts, really a great one. It was a place to really relax outside the classroom and then recharge before going to class.